Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a common issue where VX Pro refuses to open when you're double clicking the shortcut. As you can see, I'm going to double click the shortcut and it's not launching, and this plus screen isn't showing up. This usually happens because another session of Vegas is still frozen in your background process, blocking the new one from opening. To fix this, we need to open Task Manager. And the fastest way to do this is by pressing the left control key, shift and escape, or by right clicking on the Windows taskbar at the bottom and selecting Task Manager from the drop down menu. Alternatively, you can go down to the Windows search bar, type in Task Manager, and depending on your version of Windows, this might show up simply as Task Manager, or it might say View System Resource Usage in Task Manager. Like my PC, both of these will open the exact same tool, so just click on whichever one appears on your screen. Once Task Manager is open, stay on the Process tab and scroll down until you find Vegas Pro under the list. Right click on Vegas Pro and select Add Task. If you see more than one Vegas process listed here, make sure to add the task on all of them. Now the frozen background process is closed. Let's go back to the desktop and open Vegas Pro again. And there we go. The software is now loading up properly. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.